Hey guys, welcome. It's been long time. I was not able to create video because I had some exam related commitments. That's what I was doing. But now I will try to be consistent from today onwards. As you can see right now self I'm doing, I sit for study, and currently in front of me I have computer awareness textbook. I'm gonna to read it for 30 to 40 minutes just for a revise purpose, and then I'll do one current affair, today's current affair. It is needed to to be it in conscious, and after that I'll complete one mock test which is required to take care about, to be conscious toward your accuracy and time management for it. Don't take care about what you are getting score, what you are getting score. Don't try to conscious a lot. Don't try to take worry a lot. Yeah, obviously I'm not saying that it is not important. If you're not scoring high, if you're not scoring high, you're not going to be to crack this exam. But don't take too seriously, because mock test, if you're practicing mock test, you're not preparing any previous year mock test, then it is not, no need to take too seriously to this thing, right? So you should be conscious that which type of mistakes I'm doing, and what I should take action to improve it, right? So be conscious and put extra effort to make yourself accurate, right? Learn from your mistake, but don't take too seriously, too worried. So that's what I wanted to say. And now I sit for study. I'll do study for 3 to 4 hours constantly. And then I'll do my rest of work. Thank you so much for being there. See Radhe.